whether you're Muslim, whether you're Jewish, Christian, whatever your belief system is, you were made by a creator. And that's the reason why a lot of people are depressed, a lot of people have anxiety, a lot of people are stressed out, because they're trying to figure things out on their own. I remember when I was suffering from depression, I was suffering from anxiety. I wanted to kill MFers, right? And I'm looking through all of these personal development books. I'm reading Think and Grow Rich, this, that. I'm trying to find myself, like, where am I? What is life? What's this existence? It wasn't until I picked up my own spiritual book, the Bible, and I started saying, oh, I'm not telling you to read the Bible. I'm telling you to look in your own. So if it's the Quran for you, if it's the Torah, whatever it is, you are creation. You were made by a creator. Now you need to go back and say, how was I made? What does this part do? If I connect this part to this part, what does that mean? Because you got to understand that this is what guides us, our spiritual self.